All right, so I don't know what happened to me. I kind of changed. I don't know. My hair is my hair. I don't know. All right, anyway, I don't know why I'm acting like this. Shit, am I on mute? All right. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I just want to show you guys my hair because I don't know. Just do it. Hey. All right. So we got the fade. All right. I don't like this hair at all. I'll be honest. I do not like it. All right. Maybe I don't know. Look at this fade. You know. Maybe it's better than what it was. But personally, I'm not used to it, so I don't like it that much. But I do like the fade. I don't know. It's just like this top. I don't know, man. It's too short. All right. Anyway, yeah. I hope you guys do enjoy this video because this video is really important. I will be showing you guys how I made money myself at 15 years old. I could have continued, made more. My PayPal got locked, so I didn't. All right. So yeah, just enjoy this video. Alright, first of all, I'm gonna need you guys to subscribe. I made a presentation because I feel like it's easier to work with a presentation while explaining you guys stuff. Anyway, I spent like no time on this presentation because bro, it reminds me of school. Hell no. Alright. Anyway, let's continue. So this is me right here. Yeah, 15 years old. Alright, W. Alright, people better than Yuzo in clothing. Alright, step 1, create a Discord server. So if you want to create a Discord server, you don't know how, or if you do like need like a template or something, that's not happening. Just make your own. Trust me on this. Actually trust me on this. Do not use Discord templates for servers. Do not. Trust me. Make your own Discord. Make it your own. Fully customize it your own way. You don't want to copy others. If you copy others, people are gonna see it's copied. They're gonna recognize it maybe, and it just looks like copied and shit. So make sure you make your own. Trust me on these words. You gotta be yourself. You can't like use other people's templates and shit. Because I use my own. I made my own. Now a lot of people are using it, but I don't recommend using it. All right. Mark my word. Just trust me, bro. Make your own Discord. All right. Step by step. There's tutorials on YouTube on everything, so you can just watch that. Anyway, that's all you gotta do. So yeah, next step. Oh shit, yeah, I don't know why I stopped. Okay, here, step 2, get members in the Discord. How to get members? You gotta, oh yeah, you gotta get members in the Discord, of course. How you get members is you gotta, there's many different ways you can get members. First way is posting your Discord server on social media, different social media platforms like Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, nothing, the hub. I mean, not. All right, so I meant YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, whatever you want to use. All just social media things, TikTok, whatever, everything. That's how you basically get most members. But you can also do stuff like partners, which I don't. Well, whoa, hold on. All right, so you can do like partners, but you won't get as much members from there as like from partners and stuff, and it looks kind of cringe to me. So maybe don't do partners. And there's this bump thing or whatever. Just don't do that. That's kind of cringe. But just the best way to grow a community or to grow like a membership server thing, just to grow just to get many members on Discord, is doing it by social media, posting it, getting somehow known in the FiveM community or whatever you're doing. So yeah, that's it. And to grow a community, you got to be active. You don't want to make them leave. That's the most important thing. You don't want to make them leave. So you want to be active. You want to make them active. You want to make the server active. That's how you grow a community, bro. And you want to make friends with everyone you can. Because at the start, because these friends can be something in the future. And the more friends you have, the more loyal fans you will have, or the more loyal community, your bigger community. And those, once you actually get to know those people, they might even invite more people to the server. And once they invite more to the people, you become friends with them, and then they, okay, no, I'm joking. All right, but yeah, just do whatever you want to do to get members. All I said was true, so you can do that as well. But yeah, next step. All right, step 3 is to get customers. To get customers, you're gonna need to do really good. You're gonna need to do good clothing, or whatever you're doing. Like I did clothing to make money at first. I did clothing. All right, I'll tell my life story, like a fully life story thing ever. I mean, not like a life story, but like a how I made after this presentation. Right now I'm showing you guys how to get the money, and then right after this I'll show you what I did to get the money. All right, so this is also what I did though, but you know, I'll show you like a fully in-depth thing or whatever. Yeah, anyway, get customers. You want to get customers by freaking being amazing. I don't know. Just be good. Make yourself stand out more than others. You want to be on top. You want to be different. You don't want to be the same. You don't want to copy any other people. You want to be yourself. Be a different person. That's what's gonna make people buy from you. Like me, I created the texture trend where everyone is using textures on clothing. I created that stuff, so now everyone doing it, right? That's what I'm known for, kind of. Well, I'm known for being the best FiveM clothing designer, but hey, you know what I mean? All right, to get purchases you need customers, so it's the same thing. I don't know why I wrote that. All right, so just get purchases, of course, get customers, get your money, easy. All right, how to get people to buy? Like I said, you want to be different. You want to be different from others. You want to stand out. You want to build a community in the step 2, and you want to have a good loyal community which you can use, and you want to make them purchase. I mean, you want to make them invite other people who can also buy from you. But yeah, just get vouchers and stuff. That would also help people and like buy. So get that. Of course, don't make like fake accounts and just vouch yourself, because that's weird. Don't do that. Anyway, yeah, that's step 3. All right, step 4, the best tips and tricks for like actually like getting money on this stuff. So the best tips I have is just to be different. Like I said, you want to have a good loyal community. You want to also have good payment methods. That's really important. And you want to be the best. Trust me, you want to be one of the best people. You want to be the best, bro. You want to be number 1, bro. All right, so that's really, really important. And the things I can, oh no, I'll tell you guys that later. Tricks though, tricks. The trick is, like, there's a few tricks to getting money, and the tricks is that I don't even know them myself. That's why I didn't make over 7K. No, I'm joking. All right, the tricks is to, like I said, be different, have good prices. Of course, you need good prices. Start off with low prices. That's a trick. Start off with low prices, and as you get a bigger community, put your prices up. And once you get more people buy, just put them up and stuff. Once you get many people, once you find a comfortable, like a good price for you where people buy and you make, and you're not bored of it, that's perfect. All right, that's what you want to have. Anyway, things you must do. You must subscribe to this channel. I'm telling you, you must. That's a must do, bro. Anyway, what you will actually want to do, I mean, you got to do that as well. If not, like, you know, come on, it's my birthday. What the fuck? It's my birthday tomorrow, 10th May. So if you guys can give me a happy birthday in the comments, since I'll post this on my birthday. So I'm recording this on 9th May, but I'm going to post this video on 10th. So if I can get a happy birthday in the comments, that would mean a lot. That means you have come this far into the video. So that's a W. Anyway, things you must do is basically watch the whole video. That's actually I'm not even sure. That's all you gotta do. Watch this whole video. That's things you must do. That's a thing you must do. Okay, next step. Oh yeah, right. Like and subscribe, or the spider will be on your bed. Like, I swear, like, I'm not even joking. If you don't, bro, test it. If, bro, you don't want to mess with this spider, I'm telling you. If you don't do it, he's actually gonna be there. Bro, if you don't believe me, just test it and you'll see, bro. You'll regret me, bro. You'll go right back and then subscribe. I'm trust, bro. All right. Yeah, like, I'm not even like. All right, here's Mercury thing. The first thing I did, I'm not gonna like picture by picture this, like on presentation. So the first thing I did, of course, is I created Discord when I had. This was about 8 months ago. Created a Discord called Yuzo Shop. The Discord only got about 70 members, 70 to 60 members. Before I blew up, I was doing a lot of clothing. I was practicing, and I got good at clothing, right? Once I got good on clothing back then, I made a tutorial, which kind of blew up. Got 10K views right now as I'm speaking. It got 10K views, so. It kind of got me members into the Discord. So I saw that video blew up, and I was really surprised, because I never even got videos over 1K videos back then. I mean, over 1K views back then. So I was really surprised. And what else, bro? Hold on, Joe Biden moment. Hello. What was I gonna say? Anyway, next step. What I did after that I got members, of course, so I started getting sales from purchases, because more members means more purchases, more customers. Once I got more customers, I started doing this more, so I got even better. From getting even better, I started making more tutorials. Those tutorials got also views, so I started doing the same, and I did that, bow, and now I'm here where I am right now at 4K subs. Just kidding, 3.9K, 3.99K actually. I still need 10 subscribers and I got 4K, bro. That's crazy. Listen, when this video is up, I want my channel to have 4K. All right, you better subscribe. All right, anyway, so yeah, that's what I did. After that, bro, what the fuck am I supposed to say? Bro, Joe Biden moment again. All right, anyway, what I was supposed to say is I recently, or like not recently, 3 months ago, I started doing, oh, listen. Before, like when I was doing clothing and I got many sales, I changed a little bit of things. So I started doing more things. So I started doing like clothing and intros. And then after that, I started making like logos, banners. What else I got? I got like, bro, I got everything. I'm the plug to everything, bro. Okay, who just left the Discord? Oh, anyway, I was like like you come to me, you get anything. Like that's what I was trying to do. You want to have as many things as possible, bro. You want to have many options. All right. But like now, I made like banners and stuff. I got good at banners. I started doing that tutorials. I even got views on one, like a lot of views on one of them. Bro, it's crazy, bro. You gotta experiment stuff. But right now, what is sad is that I don't know what to do anymore, because like I've done every single tutorial almost. So I'm showing you guys how to get money. My YouTube channel is slowly dying. It's sad, man. I'm losing. Well, I'm kind of gaining main members, but I don't know, man. It's kind of like stuck, man. But anyway, yeah, that was it. That's all I've been doing. That's how you get money, the Yuzo way. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, like I'm telling you, and peace out.